So, f of x is 3x plus 2 by 5x minus 3. Then now if you look at all the 4 options, the options are to find f inverse of x. So, one method is, simple method is, they are asking us to find f inverse x. All the 4 options are talking about f inverse x. So, you know, in mathematics when we do not know something, we call it as x. Here already x is used. So, f inverse of x, let us assume it to be y. So, we will take f inverse of x be equal to y. Now, immediately what you can do is, so you can transfer this. This is the standard method of finding inverses of many functions. So, what you can do is f inverse, you can take it to the other side, that time you will get x is equal to f inverse. When you bring it to the other side, it will become f. So, you will get x is equal to f of y. Okay, then x is equal to, now what is f of y? Now, f of x is 3x plus 2 by 5x minus 3. So, in that same sense, if you want f of y, so f of y will be, x should be replaced by y, f of y will be 3y plus 2 divided by 5y minus 3. Now, f inverse of x is what? It is y. That means from here you have to find y. Okay. So, now therefore, we will cross multiply. So, 5y into x. So, this is 5xy minus 3 into x minus 3x equal to 3y plus 2. So, what we can do is, we should find y, no. So, therefore, we will bring y to one side. So, y already 5xy is here. I will write this as minus 3y equal to minus 3x, I will take it to the other side, plus 2. So, if you take y common, you will get 5x minus 3 equal to 3x plus 2. So, from here I will get y is equal to 3x plus 2 divided by 5x minus 3. So, you will get it like this. Now, if you substitute back here, so f inverse of x, is nothing but y is 3x plus 2 by 5x minus 3. And what happens is, this becomes same as this. That means, okay, this is f inverse of x. This appears exactly same as this. That means, f inverse of x is this much, but this is equal to f of x. So, we will get f inverse of x is equal to f of x. Therefore, option A is the answer. Nevertheless, option A is the answer. Nevertheless, always remember, if f of x is of this form, suppose it is of the form ax plus b by cx minus a. Suppose you had remembered this. If any function is of this form, then always f inverse of x will be equal to f of x. So, always remember this. Okay. That is, this can be a, b, c. This can be anything. So, 3, 2, 5, this can be anything, but this number and this number should be negative of each other. See, this is ax, this is minus a. So, this is 3x, this is minus 3. So, if any function is of the form ax plus b by cx minus a, where a, b, c can be anything, but this number and this number should be negative of each other, then for all those functions, f inverse of x will be always equal to f of x, and also f of 1 by x will be equal to 1 by x. For such functions, even this will hold, and also for this function, f of x will be always equal to x. Remember this. So, if you had known this immediately without doing all these things, you would have said f inverse of x is equal to f of x, or even f of 1 by x is asked, the answer will be just 1 by x. So, suppose for this function, if they ask what is f of half, it will be just half. Suppose for this function, suppose they ask what is f of 100, it will be just 100. So, all those things will follow. Nevertheless, for this question, option A is the right answer.